Hey, welcome back guys. So today on this video, we're talking about iPhone, and more specifically, I'm going to show you how to factory reset your iPhone and delete all the information on your iPhone. So let's go ahead and talk about this. First off, why would you want to delete the information on your iPhone and reset it back to factory settings? Well, that's pretty easy. Maybe you're giving your phone to another family member, or maybe you're selling it and you don't want them to have access to your personal information. But whatever the case is, it's a pretty easy process to delete your iPhone's information back to factory settings. So let's go ahead and jump right into this. First off, all of this is mostly going to be handled through the settings app on your iPhone. It's this gray gear icon right here. This is nothing that you need to download. It's already pre-installed on your iOS device, and this also works on your iPad as well. So I'm going to go ahead and open this settings app now. All right, so I went ahead and opened up my settings app on my iPhone, and if you want to reset everything back to factory settings, first thing I want to let you know is you probably want to back up your phone, because once you've done this, all the settings and all the information on the phone will be gone. So if you have messages or you have phones or phone numbers or pictures that you want to save, you'll want to go ahead and back up your iPhone. If you don't know how to do that, go back and watch my other video that shows you step-by-step how to back up your iPhone. But just a quick rundown on how to do that. You can either plug your phone into iTunes on your MacBook, which is what I normally do, or if you have iCloud, you can go ahead and easily back up your phone that way by going here to iTunes and App Store. All right, so if you want to go ahead and back up, just a quick rundown, what you want to do is go ahead and go to your settings and then scroll to the very top. I'm going to scroll to the top now. All right, here at the top, it's going to show your name right here, or the name of your iPhone. I'm going to click there now. All right, once you're here, you want to scroll down until you see your device. All right, so I went ahead and scrolled down, and this is my device, my iPhone 7 Plus, called Penguin. I'm going to click there now. Okay, once you're here, then you're going to see this section right here called iCloud Backup. I'm going to click there now. All right, once you're here, then you can go ahead and check on iCloud Backup or refresh it into a recent backup. But again, that's a real quick rundown. If you want more step details on how to do that, go back and watch my other video. Once you've backed up your iPhone, then you can continue on to factory resetting and deleting all the information on your iPhone by going back to the settings icon. Okay, so once here I am here at the settings. I'm going to open it up now. All right, I went ahead and opened that up. Next, what you want to do is go here to the General tab. Once you're here in the General tab, you want to scroll down until you get to this section right here called Reset. I'm going to click there now. All right, once you're here, then you want to go ahead and choose which one works for you. So if you want to go ahead and reset all the settings on your iPhone, click this top one. However, again, if you're going to be selling or giving your phone to someone else, you might want to go ahead and click Erase All Content and Settings. Just be aware that once you do this, everything's gone. You won't be able to recover it. So make sure that you back it up before you go on with this process. All right, so I went ahead and clicked there, and you will get this error if you have not backed up your phone, just to let you know that you should probably back up before you delete everything, because once everything is deleted, you can't use it. If you're okay with that, go ahead and click that blue Continue button. I'm not actually going to delete everything on my iPhone and set it back to factory settings, just because I still use this phone on a day-to-day basis. But that is the easiest way I know how to factory reset your iPhone. If you know an easier way, be sure to leave a comment below. Let the rest of us know how you did it. But hopefully you found that video useful. If so, click thumbs up or maybe consider subscribing to my channel. And I hope to see you on the next video. Thanks again for watching.